Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 9th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Number Systems. Today we will study from exercise 1.2 question 1. State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answers. First question. Every irrational number is a real number. Real number is, first let us understand real number. All the rational numbers you have already studied, all the counting numbers, positive numbers, negative numbers, decimals, the numbers that are in PQ form, all these numbers come together as a rational number we have studied. Okay? So all the rational numbers plus all the irrational numbers together called real numbers. I hope you understand. All the rational numbers that we studied and plus all the irrational numbers all together is called real numbers. So now every irrational number is a real number. True or false? So every irrational number is a part of a real number. Therefore, the statement is true because all the irrational numbers are part of real numbers. So every irrational number is a real number. Therefore, it is true. Now, second question. Every point on the number line is of the form under root m, where m is a natural number. So every point on the number line is of the form. So number line meaning, if this is the number line, then we have and so on, and this side you will have and so on. So this is a number line. We also call it real number line, where all the numbers have the place in this number line. So here what is it? Every point on the number line is of the form under root m, meaning to say of the natural number, meaning to say any number, either 1 or 2 or a 3 or a 4. So any natural number under root. So every point on the number line is of the form. Now every point on the number line is not necessarily to be in this form. We have here 0, we have 1 to all natural number, we have here all the negative integers. So we also have the place for this. So in the root can be here also, in between somewhere there is a place for this also. But not necessary that every point on the number line has to be in the form of root 2. We don't have here minus 2 is not in the form of under root. Neither this is in the form of under root. So every point not necessarily has to be in the form of under root m, where m is a natural number. Therefore, the statement is false. Now, third question. Every real number is an irrational number. Now, what is the meaning of real number? I said that the real numbers are equal to all the rational numbers and all the irrational numbers. So, every real number is an irrational number. How can we say every real number is an irrational number? It also has a rational number. Therefore, it is false. Now coming to question 2. Are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? Try to understand, are the square roots of all the positive integers irrational? If not, give an example of the square root of a number that is a rational number. Now let's take, we already studied what is irrational. Irrational means the numbers which are under square root but prime numbers, we said. So these are irrational. So are the square roots of all the positive integers? Cannot be all the positive integers square root. For example, 9. 9 also can be written as 3 square, where if square goes, we will get 3. So these are prime numbers. So we studied already it is an irrational number. But square root 9 can be written as a 3 square, where the square will go off. So we will have 3. So this is a rational number. This can be written also 3 upon 1. So it becomes a rational number. So not necessarily that all the square roots of all positive integers to be irrational. So our answer is, it is not. No is the answer. So all the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No. So example, we have square root 9 where it is an rational number. We also can write square root 4. So 4 also can be written 2 square. So the square root will go. We will have 2. 2 also can be written as the PQ form. So it is a rational number. So you all can go on give example this way. So therefore all the positive integers of the square roots are not irrational. I hope children you have understood. Thank you and God bless you.